Hi everyone. I just got a cute, I just got a pretty cool little color for my face here, and I'm pretty good. Just a little color right here. I had a wonderful time at the beach, everybody. I drew a flip. I draw backflip with my gabbers in the water. It was super fun. And I did twirling, and gabbers like, wow. I didn't expect that. That's incredible. It's very, very fun. Let me know you love the beach days as well. hmm I love you so much. Tune in for all the love. My cute little nose. What's your favorite mix? Let me know. There is any genres if you want. I love you, guy. I love you, and catch you later.